go to your settings.
So just remove McAfee.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Go to can you remove it from here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. Go ahead. Yeah, a lot of computers come with McAfee on it. I call it.
Yeah, I think we pay for it. I mean, this is our normal one that we use.
Ah, okay. Is that from your in your household? You mean your family plan or something, or is that a?
No, that's what we have for like the business, right? So
Oh, okay.
we tend to try to download this on everyone's, but now trying to replace that with BitDefender.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, you might have to restart and pop back in. I don't know if it'll restart your whole computer, or I think it will, so you might have to jump back in.
I know, but I have everything.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
Did you see this before or no?
Yeah, I saw it for a minute, but I didn't see any of the pop-ups. Okay, so once you
And I clicked this,
yep,
it went to my download folder, and that's this right.
Yep, that right there. So double click on that one.
Okay.
And that should open that. Yep, there we go. And that'll open another piece. There might be something that pops up that says, yeah, there we go. And then the second window comes up. And then this one will run for a few minutes. It'll go through a bunch of checks and then it'll download. There we go. Now it's actually downloading, and this only takes, depends on your internet speed. Looks like it's going pretty quick.
Okay. Okay.
It usually hangs up there, but it doesn't usually hang up this bad. It usually, there we go. All right. So now you click finish and then go to a blank spot on your taskbar and right click on it.
Blank spot on my taskbar down here.
Yep. And right click. No, not in the search, in the blank spot, like in the middle.
Here?
No, down on the taskbar. Just on it. Yeah, right there. All right. And then hit taskbar settings.
Okay.
Let me see. Select which icons appear on the taskbar. Down towards the bottom where it says notification area.
Okay.
What version of Windows are you on? I think you're
I
on
don't
10.
know.
I think you're on 10.
Oh yeah, I'm on 10. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, the one that says, I think you scroll down farther, it's farther down. There it is. Endpoint Security Console. Turn that one on. Oh, you went past it. It's right under the Nord. Yeah,
This
right
one?
there. Yep. Turn that one on. That way you can see it. Like now, if you look over by on the side of the taskbar, yeah,
Right there. Okay, got it.
and then okay, so you can close that window, and then on the taskbar where that B is, we're gonna go ahead and click on that anyway. Yep.
Okay, so close
Yeah.
this.
I think you have to right click on it and hit show.
Right.
Yeah, and that's what it'll normally look like. So right now it's going to keep going for the next couple hours. It'll be updating and installing little pieces and parts until it's finally got all of its stuff together. But you're good to go for now. And you showed up on my yeah, it showed up on my dashboard, so we're good. So that's basically all you have to do to install it. The rest of it I take care of on my end. And that's protecting. So you're now being protected and monitored.
Okay, so all right, so basically this is for antivirus, and it's for like phishing and all of that.
Yeah, if you go see on the top left corner, up that little tic-tac-toe board looking thing, that shows you all the little pieces and parts and what all is protecting. So you got the anti-malware piece, and then you've got firewall, and then you've got content control, which is scanning traffic and websites, phishing attacks, and some of the different things on your network. Device control, what that's doing is monitoring every time you plug a device in or on your computer. So like thumb drives, external drives, stuff like that, it logs it when it gets plugged in. EDR sensor, that's monitoring the endpoints on your network, well, specifically this one. And that's the part, that's the piece that's going back to a command center with 24/7 monitoring. And then the anti-tampering piece is they're looking for drivers and things like that, other pieces and parts of your operating system and your drivers that could be vulnerable, and it'll flag those too.
Okay. Okay. All right, so then I'm all good then for right now.
Yep, you're all
What
good.
about this data protection off and application blacklisting?
The application blacklisting is always going to be off, and the data protection, because those are pieces we're not using. The data protection is more Amazon Web Cloud type stuff. If you had a database or something, but you don't have on your, and then the application blacklisting is something we don't really use. That would be a way where it's almost like parental controls, I guess would be the easiest way to explain it, where we could put applications in there, like say Facebook or something, so you could never install Facebook on your computer. BitDefender would block it, type of thing.
Okay.